Hi students, I'm Blair Reynolds, and today we will be learning how to add and subtract fractions using common denominators. Our objective is that students will learn to change fractions to have common denominators and how to add and subtract their fractions with the common denominators. Why do we need to use common denominators? Having a common denominator makes adding and subtracting fractions easier because it allows you to only add and subtract the top of the fractions. To find common denominators, we have to think, what is a multiple of both of those denominators? Our denominators here in this fraction are 5 and 7, so I thought a common denominator would be 35. So what we were going to do is we are going to multiply each of those, top and bottom, so that our bottom fraction is 35. So this one will be by 7 over 7, and this will be multiplied by 5 over 5, giving us 21 over 35 plus 10 over 35. Now that we have common denominators, all we have to do is add the top. So our final answer will be 31 over 35. Let's try one more of addition. So here we have two numbers that are both multiples of 50. One is already 50, so we only have to change the second fraction. To get it to have a common denominator, we're going to multiply it by 2 over 2. There we'll get 28 over 50 plus 18 over 50. Now we just have to add the top. When we add the top, we get 46 over 50. This can be simplified. And to simplify it, we just have to think, what is a number that both of these two fractions, top and bottom, can be divided by? I thought of 2. So once we divide it by 2, we get 23 over, over 25. And that is the simplest form we can get. So that is our answer. Now we're going to subtract fractions. We still need to find our common denominator. So for this fraction group, I figured the best answer for a common denominator would be 45. So to get to 45, we're going to multiply this fraction by 5 over 5, and this fraction by 9 over 9. Then we're going to get 20 over 45 minus 18 over 45. Now we just have to subtract the top 2. There we will get 2 over 45. And this is the simplest form. So there is your answer. For our last practice problem, we have two fractions. The first one already has the common denominator that we're looking for. So for the second fraction, we just need to multiply it by 3 over 3. There, we'll still have the 12 over 21 minus 9 over 21. This will give us 3 over 21. This can be simplified. So to simplify it, we have to divide the top and bottom by 3. This will give us 1 over 7. So our answer is 1/7. Now, students should be able to find common denominators and add and subtract fractions. Good work, and remember to keep practicing.